Welcome back, everybody. We've been spending a lot of time in this world of AI giants, right? But today we're gonna sort of swing the ball in a slightly different direction.
True.
Yeah, we've talked a lot about OpenAI, those masterminds behind these impressive GPT models,
Right, right.
and NVIDIA with their superpowered GPUs, and it's kind of crazy how these companies have essentially become the building blocks for this whole new wave of tools that we're seeing.
Absolutely. I mean, they've really set the stage, haven't they? They've become the foundation. And now we're seeing companies like Perplexity step in and build something that's incredibly user-friendly on top of all that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's actually what we're diving into today.
Perplexity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perplexity. And what's so exciting about Perplexity is that it's not about reinventing the wheel.
Yeah.
It's not about building new AI models or hardware from scratch.
Right.
Instead, it really leverages the power of that existing technology. Think about those GPT models from OpenAI. And they use them in a really clever new way, don't they?
That's right. Yeah. They call it an answer engine. And essentially what Perplexity is doing is taking real-time search and merging it with these advanced language models. So instead of just relying on a static database or something, it's constantly scouring the web for the most up-to-date information.
So it's like having a research assistant that's always learning and updating its knowledge.
Precisely, yeah. And not only does it find the information, but it distills it down into these concise, really easy to understand summaries, and of course, always with citations to back it up.
Now, okay, but be honest. I mean, how much can we really trust those answers? We've all heard these stories about, AI hallucinations where they're just making stuff up.
That's a valid concern. I mean, I think we've all sort of encountered that at one point or another.
Yeah.
But Perplexity really tackles this head on by prioritizing transparency. Think of it this way. Imagine you asked a researcher for some information. Wouldn't you want to know where they got that information from?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Perplexity works in a similar way. It shows you exactly how it reached its conclusions, making it very easy for you to double-check those facts, verify the information yourself.
So it's like having a research assistant who not only finds the answers, but also shows their work so you can be confident in the information.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, so now for the big question, the so what of it all. Why should anyone listening care about Perplexity?
Well, imagine being able to just get clear, concise answers to really complex questions without having to spend hours digging through research papers, articles. Who has time for that?
Yeah, no, that definitely, that sounds incredibly helpful, especially in today's world where everybody's so busy. But you said Perplexity is user-friendly. There are a lot of tools out there that claim to be simple, but then you end up getting lost in all these menus and options. I mean, what makes Perplexity different?
Yeah, no, you're right to be skeptical. But what sets Perplexity apart is its intuitive design. It's really built with the user in mind, so you can jump right in and start getting answers without needing to be a tech expert.
So to wrap this up, it sounds like Perplexity is really taking this cutting-edge AI technology and making it accessible to everyone, to the everyday person.
Precisely. And it really highlights how technology can be this powerful tool for learning and understanding the world around us if it's done right.
And that is something to ponder, isn't it? What if this is just the tip of the iceberg? How will tools like Perplexity really shape the future of how we access information, how we learn? Stay tuned, everybody.